going to the... Yan na, I can see the police. Yan. Alam mo naman kung hindi sila busy. Ayan, dyan si CJ.
Going.
Yan. So dito, CJ's there, nabangga ang kanyang van.
Your destination is on the right.
Yan. Oo, basag pa yung nasa loob. Oh, you see, oh. Broken glass. Yan yung sasakyan ni CJ. Walang kamalay-malay nakapark, binangga. Ayan, buti may mga police. That's the car right there na nakabangga. And CJ was parked over there kanina. Buti wala si baby.
I know.
My gosh.
Oh, it's good.
Oh, lumagpas, oh. Diyan. My gosh.
Ayusin niya, pipinturahan niya lahat.
Wala na. Pwede pa ba yan? Wala na. Total yan. Total, look at this. Look at this. Total yan. Paano mo pa, yan oh. Paano mo pa ayusin yan? No more. That's total wreck. Look at this. Oh. You run over this. Yeah, yan ang tumama sa salamin niya. Oh.
Tanggal pa?
Oo. That's the damage to the property. How come naman na yung not call the police on this? Oh, look at that. No more. You can get it right away. It'll take 10 days.
Pero if kunyari na kwan.
Ito tow na rin yung kay CJ. Total loss. Yan ang kanyang tow truck right there. Hello, baby ka. Do you want to see your car? It's gone.
It's gone.
Yeah, look.
It's dead na.
Buti wala itong bata sa sasakyan. OMG. Look at your car. Yung reaction niya. Ah, what happened? I know. Good thing you're not in it. Huh? Yeah, he's supposed to be there. Like, I know, yeah. Look at that baby.
Yes. It'll be a new car.
Yeah. Oh, what baby? Huh?
This car.
Oh, look at that. Oh. See? Huh? You hate that car? Yeah, it hit your car.
It's your car.
What? That's Mater?
It's Mater.
Huh? Mater's pulling it?
Yes.
Thank God you're not in it, ano baby?
That guy.
15K.
Too close? Ah, baby?
Too close?
Tignan mo yung mukha niyo.
No!
Yes.
Say bye-bye to your lolo and lolo.
Bye-bye, baby.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Bye-bye. Mama mo. What will you do, baby? You'll watch the security camera? Okay, see if you're... Okay.
You gonna watch Lolo?
Okay, good night. Love you.
Let's see.
No! Almost.